had become a much different holiday. 1943 Christmas story was all about trees and soldiers. 1943 Christmas story was all about trees and soldiers. Santa Claus was almost replaced with Odin. Santa Claus was almost replaced with Odin. Santa apparently brought terrible presents. They kept the tree but found new ornaments. They kept the tree but found new ornaments. They couldn't celebrate a Jewish man's birth, so they turned Christmas into a different type of celebration. They couldn't celebrate a Jewish man's birth, so they turned Christmas into a different type of celebration.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.